Hi guys and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use a hydrometer, which will allow you to test your beer's gravity. Now, what I have in this test jar is roughly 100 milliliters of my wort. Now keep in mind, anything you put in here needs to be cooled down. So this wort right now is at room temperature. If it's too hot, eventually it will warp my test jar if it's made out of plastic. So now that it's cooled down, I'm going to introduce my hydrometer. It's a tool that looks like this. Has numbers sort of all the way around it. What I'm looking for, the ones that matter to me, are the ones that are in increments of 10. So what I do is I put my hydrometer inside the test jar, give it a bit of a spin, and then I wait for it to sort of stabilize. Then I'm going to look at the top of the wort and see where it matches up with the ruler on the hydrometer. If I look at mine, I can see that it is roughly, it's just under the number 40. So that tells me my gravity right now is 1.040. This is really important because I can use this in the future to figure out what my ultimate ABV level is. I'm going to do the same thing I did now after my beer's done fermenting, put those numbers into a predefined formula, which really involves a little bit of subtraction, and then I'll know what my alcohol content is. Again, you don't have to use a hydrometer like this. The nice thing is it provides you with a little bit of information about your beer, and it gives you a little bit more control over your brewing, not necessarily now, but for the future because you'll understand what your brewing efficiency is. Now that's about it for now. I will see you guys in the next video.